Hi guys, I just checked my P.O. box and I got my latest Daphne's diary and it's so beautiful. And there's freaking chickens on it. So I thought I would give you a flip through of the spring edition of Daphne's diary. It also came with this cute little like my friends, I think of it as like a pen pal kind of list or something, but it's kind of like an address book. Either way, super cute way to keep your friends' information. Accidentally ripped it, but it's still cute. Okay, so I thought I would give you a flip through of the magazine because it's so beautiful. Oh my god, how cute! The index. Oh my god, how cute. I'm gonna say that a lot. This magazine is so beautiful. It has like all things kind of lifestyle, very European, gorgeous, shabby chic, feminine. Oh my gosh, cake roll. That sounds amazing. Butterflies. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. Chicken butter dish, chicken egg cup, chicken jug, chicken wire egg basket. Oh my gosh, this is made for me. Insect coasters. Oh, so cute. I love it. I love everything about this. They have some like vintage vibes and like cartoons and poetry. These look like little napkin bands. So precious. Gardening. Oh, I love it. This is such a beautiful magazine. Bed and breakfast. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. It's so cute. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, it's so like eclectic. Oh, bunny bread. Easter bunny rolls. So cute. Kind of terrifying, but so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, wow, sweet. She's a felt artist, or oh my god, precious little pig. Oh, bunnies and little mice. They're so cute. Oh, this one has a little Happy Mail. And this one has candy. That's so cute. Important. Doing a body scan every once in a while. Oh, ice bath. No, thank you. Stickers. Okay, I'm kind of getting to this a little bit late. It's past Easter, technically. 11 of these Easter eggs in this issue. Oh my gosh, how cute. Like a hide and seek throughout the whole magazine. The cutest little stickers. How precious. Oh my god. I love stickers. And there's little eggs. This is so sweet. I should have checked my P.O. box sooner. Oh, how cute. A black bunny. And florals and boots. This is my jam. God, it's so precious. Florals. Ooh, like a floral cocktail. A little black bunny. Cake. How pretty. I love like natural looking cakes. Oh yeah, I just got some salmon in my birch box. I have tons of eggs from my chickens. So this has like a few different deviled egg recipes. Oh yeah, I love that. The avocado with deviled eggs. We do kind of a variation at work where you do like the avocado and your egg and then you sprinkle it with everything, like the everything bagel seasoning, and it's like avocado toast, deviled egg. definitely want to try that at home. Oh my god, I love all these bugs. Oh, a little bug hotel, insect hotel. How cute. Oh, there's a little hidden egg. Wreath. Oh, that's beautiful. That is so gorgeous. You are more than welcome to sign up for the Daphne's Diary subscription, or they have them available at Barnes & Noble if you want to pick up one without paying for shipping or without waiting. And oh my god, there's a little chicken on top of her head. That's so cute. How to draw a chicken. Oh, that's precious. Whoa, paper art. That is gorgeous. That is amazing. People are amazing. How pretty all of the like posts from friends. That looks yummy. Apple dumplings. Yum. Chocolate nests. Dessert. Oh, a cottage in Ireland. Wow. Oh my god, that's the dream. It's so like minimal and decluttered. Little cottage with little yellow accents and green and natural wood, white walls. Oh god. How to cook the perfect egg. Like I said, I have chickens, so I cook a lot of eggs. A lot of hard-boiled eggs. I do usually like the 6-minute. That's usually my good zone, my time frame. Oh, how pretty. Gorgeous bookmarks. So beautiful. Oh my god, the chickens. Free-range chickens. My chickens are let out of the coop sometimes, but right now, especially like springtime, I have a lot of plants in the garden, so they can be kind of terrorists. So they're confined to their coop at the moment, but I will let 1 or 2 out every once in a while. Spring cleaning for your body. Oh wow, eggshell art in Romania. That's amazing. That is amazing. Wow, they're gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah, I love this. Natural wood, clean, white, terracotta, green. Oh, I love it. This is my vibe. I'm a basic bitch. I like no clutter. Oh, how cute. Little cute, adorable eggs. Tiny little hats. Look at the little chicken. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Cute little ways to use eggs and to have like a happy, adorable Easter. This is precious. I usually keep my Daphne's diaries intact. Sometimes I'll cut things out and use them here and there. Like I'll use these bookmarks. But most of the time I just think these books are so precious and beautiful that I just save them. I hoard them. Oh, how cute. April Fools. More recipes. They have these recipe cards that kind of punch out. Pasta with broccoli and Mexican chips. Yum. So I'll add these to my cookbook. It's nice because it has like grams, and then it's Daphne's diary is always ran in like English, German, and Dutch, maybe French and Dutch. I should know this, but it's in different languages, which is so cool. So I'll punch out these recipes and add them to my cookbook. Okay, you get the point. Oh, how cool. Punch out little door cards. Do not disturb and no entry. Okay, available and you are welcome. These are cute. I mean, if anyone, you know, doesn't get the memo, like, leave me alone. Just put this on the door. No entry, please. How cute. Just slip them over the doorknobs. Oh, how cute. That's adorable. They have the cutest like illustrations and the most beautiful photos and gorgeous backgrounds. Like, this magazine is just adorable. DIY hairband, like a sewing project, just stationery and like posters, inspiration, hanging some Easter stuff just from some branches. Butterflies! Oh my god, this is beautiful. I love butterflies. I love butterflies. This is so gorgeous. There are 2 rare butterflies among all these. Can you see which 2 are different from the others? That is so cool. I'm just going to use this as like stationery. I love all the butterflies and the beautiful flowers. Walking tour of Houston. Interesting. The Netherlands. That is so cool. I would love to travel more. Yay! A little female appreciation. It's about time. All of these beautiful babes and their accomplishments. Wooden egg cup. I don't know what that is, but it's cute. Oh my gosh, are these like postcards? Look at those little bunnies and ballerinas. Oh, how cute. I don't know what this is. Oh, maybe it's like an advent calendar. Maybe you layer them on top of each other. And then it's a postcard on the back. Oh, I get it. Okay, I get it. Kind of like cut out these little windows and then adhere them to each other, and then you can like pop up these little windows and you get these sweet little sentiments underneath there, and you can mail it to somebody for Happy Mail. That's so cute. Guessing which eggs belong to which birds. How cute. I wouldn't even know. I'm guessing ostrich and quail. That's all I know. Lemon curd. Ooh, that looks good. A spring poem. This looks like a coloring page of this super cute village. That's precious. Cup of tea. It was like National Tea Day not too long ago. So this probably relates to that. And I love a good cup of tea. Well, these are cute little flowers on the end of sticks, and it gives you like a whole page of these cut out hearts. You can make little flowers, just use these as stationery. Oh my gosh, the pattern paper is beautiful. This one doesn't have any outlines on it. It's just gorgeous pattern paper. Book recommendation. Oh, how cute is she? Sitting in her chair with a little cat. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, here's the answers to the little riddles in the book. Sorry. Hopefully that's not a spoiler. And it looks like there's a poster. The following Daphne's diary will appear on the 12th of April. Oh my gosh, I'm way behind. Spring poster. Oh my god, how beautiful. I don't want to catch it on fire, but there's gorgeous pink and blue and a teacup with a teapot. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous poster. I love it. I love Daphne's diary. It's just so beautiful and brings me so much joy and inspiration. And there's a chicken on the back. Oh my god, it's so cute. So thank you guys for hanging out with me during this quick little flip through of the spring, the volume number 2 of 2022 Daphne's diary. And until I see y'all in the next video, stay creative. Okay, bye.